Right now would be your last call for alcohol in the grandstands. Last call for alcohol in the grandstands. All right, coming out next, number 19, Tyler Beckius, MKS Custom. Following him is his partner, number 327, Mike Cone. And the truck coming out next will be Jeremy's team, number 25, Andy Blow. Coming out next looks like number 33, Logan Ayers, Naples Watermill, Smith Mill Implement. Following him appears to be number 73, his teammate Austin Schultz, Team Ayers, DJ Conan Repairs, James On Site Butchery, James Rowe Construction sponsored. All right, making it over right now will be number 41X of Brant Melcher, Napa Watermill. And following him, it'll be his teammate 72T, David Colesman, Tim's Trucking, Darren Hayes Construction. And after that, looks like number 67 of Matt Mahler. All right, following him be the 134X of Aaron Keeney. All right, and after that is number 44X, Andy Myers, Valley Welding and Machine. Brandon Masonry. And then following 144X, Patty Myers, followed by Christy Myers. All right, looks like we got all 6 teams out there.